Hi, my name is Karen Tan, and I am the Culture and Media Coordinator at the Gala Queer Archive, based in Johannesburg. We are a human rights organization that focuses in on collecting, preserving, and disseminating the experiences and histories of queer people in Africa. Our main objective in terms of storytelling is to subvert the trope that queerness is un-African. I'm particularly excited about this project because the format of animation is a creative way to express these stories and share them in alternative and interesting ways.
Hi, my name is Neo Khawane. I'm the project coordinator for the Fak'ugesi Festival. And in collaboration with Gala, we have an exciting opportunity. We are calling all queer students to apply for the Queer Catalyst Animation Workshop, which will take place very soon. So if you haven't applied, please do apply. This is an exciting opportunity for you to get real hands-on experience in terms of animation, story building, and so many opportunities. Thank you.